Viagra side effects, all you need to know. Hey there! Let's chat about Viagra and its important details in a friendly way. Viagra side effects, all you need to know. So, what's the deal with Viagra? Well, Viagra is like a superhero for your manhood. It boosts blood flow into the nether regions, making things stand tall and proud. Perfect for tackling that pesky erectile dysfunction. Can you take Viagra every day? Before you jump into Viagra every day, have a heart-to-heart with your doctor. They're the experts and can guide you through potential side effects and any funky interactions with other meds. How long does Viagra last? Plan ahead, buddy. Take Viagra 30 minutes to 4 hours before your hot date. The sweet spot is around 1 hour before the action, but don't overdo it. Once a day is the magic number. Making Viagra work better. Here's a tip. Don't go all out with a heavy feast before taking Viagra. Keep it light for optimal results. Remember, no DIY prescriptions. Taking Viagra without a doctor's go-ahead, especially with heart meds, is a no-no. Nitrate medicine plus Viagra equals big nope on your blood pressure. When to take Viagra for best results? Timing is key. Pop that pill 30 minutes to 1 hour before getting frisky. How much alcohol with Viagra? If you're into a casual drink, no worries. But if you're planning a boozy night, take it easy. Too much alcohol plus Viagra can be a recipe for dizziness and lowered blood pressure. Viagra and other medications. Got other meds on your plate? Talk to your doc. Some medications, like alpha blockers or certain antifungals, can throw a party in your bloodstream when mixed with Viagra. What to avoid with Viagra? Allergies, painful erections in the past, or a laundry list of health conditions. If you've got any of these, steer clear of Viagra. In a nutshell, your doctor is your BFF when it comes to Viagra. So, keep the communication lines open and let the good times roll responsibly.